2.5 inches of rain. So a lot of rain in a short amount of time as the moisture and the instability did pick up. Sky 6 Live in HG looking at the center city skyline. You can see it's dry. It is quiet. We've got a partly cloudy sky overhead. So looking at the weather headlines, it's the last weekend of summer. It's going to be a good one tomorrow. As we look at the latest on Jose, we have the stats and the tracks updated for you. Will be rough surf and rip currents as we go throughout the rest of tonight and even into early next week as we are tracking Jose. The high earlier today in Philadelphia and at 87. Right now we're coming in at 72 in the city, 68 in Trenton, 72 in Reading, down in Cape May, 70 and over in Dover coming in at 66 degrees. We'll look at satellite 6 along with action radar. You could see that we were tracking some instability earlier today. Now things are starting to clear on out underneath a partly cloudy to eventually mostly clear sky, but there will be areas of low level moisture as we go throughout the overnight hours. So fog will be developing later tonight. If you're traveling down the shore tomorrow, it's partly sunny. It's nice. A high temperature coming in at 77 degrees, but keep in mind there will be a moderate risk for rip currents, not just on Sunday, but even as we get into early next week. And it is all because of Jose. Right now it is a Category 1 hurricane with winds sustained at 80 miles per hour. It's about 465 miles to the south-southeast of Cape Hatteras, North Carolina. But you notice by Monday evening, this is still a Category 1 just off the coast of the Carolinas. But by the time it reaches our latitude, this will lose a lot of its intensity. So this will be downgraded to a tropical storm. And you could see even with the western jog of this storm, you could see that it stays mainly offshore of the Jersey Shore and the Delaware beaches. So as you look at the spaghetti plots with this storm, we have pretty good consensus that this storm system stays well out to sea and out along the Atlantic. Nonetheless, rough surf and beach erosion will be a big concern. So we will be indirectly impacted as a result of Jose really starting tonight, but more so Monday evening right into Wednesday morning. Waves up to 10 feet high, rip currents and beach erosion and some gusts anywhere from 40 to 45 miles per hour. The tropics are certainly heating up. We've got Jose and we also have Tropical Storm Lee and Tropical Storm Maria that could strengthen into a hurricane as we get into next week. The exclusive AccuWeather 7-day forecast showing you back here at home. It's warm and humid on Sunday, high up to 83 degrees. On Monday, clouds and some sun. High temperature in at 78. On Tuesday, it's cloudy and breezy with some rain developing because of Jose staying offshore. High temperature in at 75. Wednesday turning sunny by the afternoon, a high up to 85 degrees. 85 on Thursday with high pressure returning. Fall arrives next Friday, Walter.
Sad to say.
High up to 83, then the 80s next weekend.
But it had to happen.
It's coming.
Okay.